What's up, y'all? Today's the day I've got to change my rear differential gasket before we go to the show Saturday. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Let's roll. You need to get you a drain pan, get you an impact or a wrench with an extension on it, or a deep well socket with a 13. Get you some gear oil, 2 quarts. It'll use a little bit over a quart. Get you a can of brake clean out the inside of it with. A pair of gloves to keep yourself clean. A scraper to get the old gasket off. A metal scraper to clean off the cover and the diff, whatever you can't get off. You can use either the can of this, or you can use the actual gasket maker, or you can go get the gasket. RTV works just as good for the rear diff. You can tell it has been leaking for a little while. I've been procrastinating on changing it. Obviously, let's put the drain pan underneath this. We don't make a mess. And next, we'll put our gloves on. I don't always wear them, but this stuff stinks real bad, so put these on. Let's get started. I'm removing these 10 bolts. And once that's drained all the way, we can remove this final one all the way. Get it to where that cover will come off. There we go. Pull that thing off. Boy, she looks clean. Let's get this gasket on the move. Before we scrape the gasket off, just inspect everything. Make sure there's not a lot of metal buildup. Nothing messed up, looking loose, damaged. Next, you're gonna take that can of brake clean I had mentioned and clean the cover out with. All right, so once we get that done, we peel the old gasket off. It's gonna drain a little bit more. Just pull that old gasket right on off of there. Sometimes it'll come off easy. Sometimes it's really not that easy. You gotta scrape it. And once you get the old gasket off, you go through and scrape with the scrubber that I had pulled out at the beginning. Go all the way around, scrape it, and get it real good and cleaned. And then once it's cleaned, it should look something just like this here. You go around with this ultra black gasket maker, or the other stuff as I was showing you in the beginning, or you can put the actual differential gasket in. Right now that we got the RTV up there, I kind of flattened it down because the tube don't have the end of it on there, so it's kind of harder to put it on, but I did get it on there. Got a nice bead put around it. Let's put the lid on. Then once that's on, you get all your bolts started and then finally screw it on. And before anybody says, yes, I did spray paint my cap, because you seen the chrome was peeling off and it was starting to rust. Get your 13mm back out and start it down. Next, you're gonna need a 10mm hex head. Pull your plug out. All right, and then once that's out, we can start filling it up. 25W90. Your fill plug might also be in the middle because this is an aftermarket cover, but same concept. Fill it up until it starts to pour out. One of them down. Let's go to the next one. And then once it starts to pour out just like that, you put the cap back in. These, remember, don't over tighten, just get it where it's snug. It shouldn't leak back out. Just like that. Then we wipe it off and we're all done. Like that, y'all, we're all done. Good to go, ready for the weekend. Y'all stay tuned. We got to put a lift on Friday on the truck. I've got to get mine cleaned. If y'all like this content, please like and subscribe for more. Peace.